Okay, here we go. Last episode we were shooting bullets and we have a randomized enemy there floating around. Okay, so we want to do some collision detection. We want to know when we hit the enemy, and we are going to put that method right after shooting bullets. We're going to call it check collision. Come on, try again. Check. I'm going to put it right there, and we need to go down here, and it's going to return no type. I'm not going to have any return. Check collision, and no arguments. And what we need to do is check each bullet. So for int I equal 0 while I is less than 10, because we've got 10 bullets, right? And we are going to increment the counter, and so we're going to go through each bullet, and first we're going to say if the bullet is true, okay, so we're going to check to see if the bullet actually exists. Okay, and I'm thinking here, folks, it's hard work. Okay, and if the bullet X is that bullet is greater than our enemy X. Got to remember how to spell enemy X. Alright, is greater than our enemy X, and our bullet Y, no, bullet X is greater than enemy X, and the bullet X is less than the enemy X plus 16. Yes, plus 16. We're looking at depth. The x-axis is, look at this, I got a pointer. The x-axis is the width of the screen. So it's going to be the width. We're going to check the enemy X plus the width of the enemy, which is 16. Okay. And, uh-oh, wait a minute, we're still going on. Because we want it inside the enemy box. It's got to be inside. Come back here, enemy. We want it inside of the little box. So we're also, now we've got to check for height. So and got to remember how to spell and. The bullet Y is greater than enemy Y, because remember we're counting from 0, we're counting this direction, is greater than enemy Y alright, and the bullet Y is less than enemy Y, get the right one, enemy Y plus the enemy height. Okay. Yes, because we're talking about 0 starts at the top, and so we're adding to make sure we get the whole height of the enemy, and we started at the back of the enemy and we're going to the front, so that should cover our whole box there. So if all of this is true, then we can assume that we have hit the enemy. So we're going to put in a serial good grief, it's hard doing this in the morning. Print line explosion. I spell it even close to right. Okay, and we need to get rid of that bullet since it hit the enemy. Bullet I equals false. Okay, so we want to get rid of that bullet if it hit the enemy. So hold your breath. Have we ever seen one go easy the first try or work the first try? I don't think so. Oh, look at that. We found something. Expected before token on line 88. Okay, that's that, and that's that, and that's that. Int I. Somebody tell me where I don't see. It expected a parentheses before. Tell me I made a mistake, and it's just my eyes aren't working this morning. I don't have any other for loops. That's what it's got to be. I put a semicolon. There shouldn't be a semicolon. Yeah, because you've got semicolon and semicolon, that breaks up the operation. So yeah, anyway, I think it's time for another cup of coffee, and we're piling. Still piling. Oh, there we go. All right, so let's open up our serial. And why are we shooting? Okay. Oh boy. Why do I have all those in there? Let's see. Loop. Loading bullets. Loading. Shooting. Okay. Let's try again. Because what we want to see is if we hit the darn guy. And we got a serial print right there. Okay, here we go. Let's clear this little mess up. And oh, look at that, we hit him. Come on. Oh, we got him. Oh, we got him. Look at that. See, if it wasn't random, it'd be so easy to hit him. Get down there. Yeah, so, okay, so that was easy enough, wasn't it? Call that a good day, a win. So that was it. That's collision. Next is we're going to add animation for explosion, which is going to be using some trigonometry, which I'm really excited to talk about.